Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl friend Julie and I'm back with another video. This hair was sent to me from Recool Hair. They sent me this bob wig and it's a 5x5 closure, and they sent me all these goodies in this bag here I'm showing right now. Alright, so here's the bob wig, and this is the deep wave bob wig, and I already went ahead and plucked it and added my own makeup. And now I'm going to go ahead and try it on to see how I like how it's sized up. And this is how it looks dry. I didn't brush it out all the way, but I went and combed through with my fingers. And here is the lace up close. I'm going to go ahead and do the glueless install method on this wig so y'all can see. Go ahead and part your wig down the middle. You can do a side part with this, but I find it easier to do a middle. Go ahead and spray the hair back. What I'm doing right now is framing my face, so I'm going ahead and adding my mousse as well, just to frame the hair. Once I do the glueless install at the end, you'll see what I'm talking about. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my wax stick just to get it flat at the top, flat as possible. And I'm hot combing everywhere, the lace, the hair, everything. Now this is where the band comes into play. So I went ahead and sprayed earlier the even and put the mousse down. This is just to frame the hair so that once I do comb out my hair in the front, it frames my face, and you'll kind of see what I'm talking about towards the end of the video. So now I'm hot combing just to frame the hair, and then I'm brushing out the hair to kind of get it big how I like it. And this already looks pretty much natural, as you can see. Pretty good. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the band. As you can see, the hairline looks super good, and I'm cutting the lace off from this closure in a zigzag motion. And after you cut that lace, go ahead and make your part more defined, which is, this is my favorite part because I love doing this. It's just satisfying. But after that, you're going to see how glueless this install is. As you can see, lift it up, put it back down. So now I'm going to go ahead and wet the hair on both sides with my spray mist bottle. And this is more convenient to me because it gets the hair wet faster basically. So I'm doing both sides the same way, combing my fingers through it and then wetting it at the same time. And as you can see here, here's the finished wet look, and that is the lace, the hairline, and this is how it looks dry. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and thank you guys, and until next time.